New York lawmakers have some tougher penalties in place on a number of crimes that took effect beginning today. Earlier this year, Governor Cuomo signed the amendments to the new restrictive measures. And YNN's Wendy Mills joins us now from the newsroom with more on some of the more severe penalties. Wendy?
Well, Jenny, underage drinking, driving in school zones, and injuring or killing a police animal, how all of these have increased consequences if you break the law. Starting with the state's DWI overhaul, criminal defense attorneys with Tully Rinckey tell us the new penalties target the use of fake IDs and the underage purchase of alcohol. Now, it now increases the maximum amount of community service for a second offense from 30 to 60 hours. If you're charged a third time, you may serve up to 90 hours of community service. Youthful offenders convicted of DWI must install an interlock ignition device for up to 12 months. Again, this is something new. The state is also increasing the penalty if someone tries to harm or kill a police service animal. That's service dogs or horses. It is now considered a felony to do so. And when it comes to driving in a school zone, a warning now: you are not permitted to make a U-turn within a school zone during posted hours. Now, the focus here is all about school safety.
You know, because if you keep passing laws and people keep ignoring them, if there's no penalty or not as stiff a penalty, then that's not going to deter people from, people committing these crimes. And obviously, with stiffer penalties and increased laws, then it's certainly reactionary. And the goal is to get it through to people that, you can't do these things. And if you do them, you're going to pay some tough penalties.
All right, well, the ones I mentioned are just some of the new penalties for various crimes, but the state is sending a message, Jenny, and that is that the consequences for breaking the law are even greater now. Jenny?
All right, thank you, Wendy Mills, joining us from the Rochester newsroom.